Hello everyone, welcome back to the fast track series of UGC NET Electronic Science. So in this video we are going to learn about comparison of power amplifiers. Okay, comparison of power amplifiers. So comparison type questions are mostly you are asked in the UGC NET Electronic Science questions. Okay, so for that this is very important video regarding power amplifiers. If you are first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. So we'll write a tabular form, right? So type of power amplifier. Okay, second is conduction angle. Okay, so this is conduction angle. Next is maximum efficiency, and the last is figure of merit. Okay, so we'll take a figure of merit. So first first type of amplifier is class A power amplifier. Okay, so we know that in class A power amplifier we have discussed this. It is 360 degrees, conduction angle is 360 degrees, and maximum efficiency possible is 50% in the case of transformer coupled class A power amplifier, and figure of merit is 2. Okay, so figure of merit is 2. Second is class B power amplifier. So we know that the conduction angle is 180 degrees and maximum efficiency is 78.5%. So figure of merit is 0.4. Next is third, class AB power amplifier. Class AB power amplifier. So conduction angle is between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. So efficiency is also between 50% to 78.5%. And similarly figure of merit also lies between these two values. So it will be 0.4 to 2. Next, fourth is class C power amplifier. So conduction angle is greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. Okay, so maximum efficiency is 87.5% and figure of merit is less than 0.25. Okay, so it is less than 0.25, that is more the distortion, right? So less is the figure of merit, less is the distortion. So figure of merit is inversely proportional to distortion. Okay, and distortion is inversely proportional to conduction angle. Okay, so distortion, figure of merit is inversely, more is the distortion is more, right? Figure of merit is less. Distortion is less in the case of this, so the figure of merit is more. So conduction angle is more, distortion is going to be less. Okay, so these are the important relationships or important formula to find the figure of merit or distortion. Okay, so if they asked you, if you are given with all the power amplifiers and they asked you to write the order of distortion, so distortion order, suppose if you are asked to find descending order, that is maximum to minimum, so maximum to minimum, which is distortion. Okay, so I'm just telling you an example, so how to write this. So they ask you descending order distortion, so distortion is more in class C. Class C power amplifier will have the more distortion, so descending order, so maximum first, minimum at the last. Next comes class B power amplifier, because conduction angle is only 180 degrees. Okay, next comes class AB power amplifier, because conduction angle is greater than 180 degrees, greater when compared to class B but less when compared to class A. And finally comes your class A power amplifier. Okay, so this is the descending order of distortion in the case of power amplifiers. Suppose if they ask you descending order only but conduction angle, so more conduction angle is for class A first, right? Next is for class AB, next is for class B, next is for class A. Exactly opposite, because distortion is inversely proportional to conduction angle. Suppose if they may ask you maximum efficiency, in terms of maximum efficiency, descending order in terms of maximum efficiency. So maximum efficiency is there for class C power amplifier first. Okay, next class C power amplifier, and next is 78.5, that is class B power amplifier. Next is class AB, because it is between 50 and 78.5. Next is class AB power amplifier, and the last, that is in terms of efficiency, the least efficiency is for class A power amplifier. Okay, so this is how we can find the comparison types of questions in power amplifiers can be solved like this. Okay.